Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Friends. Today in this video I am going to show to the secret of your volume key. Friends, your volume key is very important in your mobile phone, doing many functions in your mobile phone, and you are not aware of about these functions. So many applications are available in the Play Store. With the help of that applications which are worked on your volume key, and in this video I'm going to show you the one application which is very important for you. You can install that app. First of all, I will show that what this app is doing functioning. So I'm just opening my WhatsApp. Now you can see I am opened my WhatsApp, and this is displayed for few microseconds and suddenly disappear. Now this is totally blank. Again I am opening my WhatsApp. You can see again this is blank. If friends, sometime you are giving your mobile phone to your friends, and your friends as they are taking your mobile phone, firstly they are trying to watch your WhatsApp. They are open your WhatsApp and watch your message, and with this trick you can save your mobile phone from your friends to watching your WhatsApp contents. So if I want to open my WhatsApp, then I have to provide some key lock. Now I'm just pressing my volume up key twice, and you will see my WhatsApp will open. I'm just pressing my volume up key twice. You can see as I pressed my volume up key, my WhatsApp is open. This is this is the trick. With this trick you can save your mobile phone with the help of your volume key and one app from your friends. So your volume key is very important in this all. So friends, you have to download one app. You have to download one app, and you can see the Keynote app is here. This is not the actual name of this app. You can see the last one app is Keynote. Here you can see the Keynote app. This is not actual name of this app, but app is this only, but the name is different from Google Play Store. I'm just opening this app. You can see this is Keynote. You can type anything here, and you can see this is a note app. You can note anything in this app, but actually this app is not for noting anything. This app is for locking your applications, so you can save your applications from your friends. So for that you have to press your volume key again twice. Friends, this is not by default. You have to always press your volume key once when you are. Friends, you have to press your volume key, because I have selected my volume up key by pressing twice is my lock of my this app. So I'm just pressing my volume key twice. You can see my application is opened. You can see on the top the application name is Ops App Lock, and here you can on off this app, and here you can select which app you want to lock. Presently I have locked my WhatsApp. You can lock any app, but just click on this lock symbol, and in this WhatsApp you can select which image, which looks you want to appear when someone is trying to open your WhatsApp. Presently I am selecting the blank. You can see blank. When someone is trying to open my WhatsApp, that the person is seeing a blank, nothing will display on WhatsApp. If you select this transparent, then okay, I will show you to this. Okay, I'm just selecting this calculator, and I'm selecting this transparent, and will show you how this calculator will look. If I'm just opening this calculator, I am open this calculator. Okay friends, first you have to switch on this app which I not switched on. You can see, just switch on this app. From once you are selecting your new apps, you have to just on off your this app. And if you are going to again calculator, you can see I am pressing the on this key keypads. Nothing has happened on the screen because this is transparent. I am selected the transparent option from here in the this keynote. Pressing volume up key, and you can see for calculator here you can see for calculator I have selected transparent. If I am selecting blank, then the calculator will open but will appear blank, and you can do nothing. I have opened my calculator. You can see this is appeared for some microseconds and then suddenly disappear from screen. So first I will show you how to download this app from Play Store. Click on this Play Store and type OPS apps lock. You can see this type of apps. The symbol of apps is same as here. The symbol is same, but the name is written below is Keynote, but in actual this is Ops app lock. So I will show you how to set up your this lock, volume up or down, whatever you want to select you can select, but this is very important for you to initially set up your this app. Okay, for initially set up, first I will clear the data of this app. Okay, this is Keynote. I am going to clear the data because once I cleared my this app data, this will become a fresh app as we installed from Play Store. Okay, friends, once you install this app from Play Store and you first time open your app, your first page will like this: install as Keynote. Installed as Keynote. This is informing you that your app is installed by the name of Keynote on your mobile phone, on your desktop, on your screen. You will see the Keynote. Okay, these are our guidelines. Volume key as password. You have to select your volume up, or you can select your volume down as a password. Okay, now these are some guidelines are given. Now click on this setup password. Now this is very important, friends. Please listen to this carefully. Now you have to select one option from these four options. You can see the first option is 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. You have to select one out of these four options, and whichever you have select means if you select 2, then you have to press your volume key up or down, whatever you want, twice. Whatever pattern you want first up then down, then you press like that. If you want continuously twice pressing your volume up key, then press your volume up key twice. If you selected 3, then you have to press your keys 3 times. If you selected 4, then you have to press 4 times. Now in short, I'm selecting just this first 2. I'm just clicking on this 2. You can see I have selected 2. Now you can see the message appear: press volume button up, slide down for selected time to make a pattern. So friends, you have to now make a pattern by selecting your volume key twice. Whatever patterns you make, that will saved in this device for next time opening your apps and opening the apps which are locked with this pattern. So I am selecting my volume up twice. I am just pressing my volume up twice. You can see enter again to confirm. As we are making our normal passwords, the system is asking us to make to confirm your password by pressing again. In this app is the same, you have to press again volume up twice. If you press some wrong key in the next time, this password will not saved because you have not provided the correct pattern again. So here is one select question, select for recovery of your password. If you forget your password, basically you will not forget your password, because this is very simple by pressing your volume up key twice. This is not sometimes if you forget your password, then you have to give the answer of this one question. Now select one question here. Whatever questions you want to select, just select a question. Okay, click on done and setup. Now your application setup is completed. Initially first time when you setting up your this password, this the message will appear, enter your volume key pattern to open main application. Friends, this means this keynote is not your main application. To open your main application, you have to press your volume pattern which you have made earlier. Now when you are opening this same app, next time you will not see this message, enter your volume key pattern to open main application. I am now pressing my volume up twice to open main application. You can see my main application is opened. Here you have to just on your application and select whichever apps you want to lock and whichever you want to unlock. Whatever you want to do, you have to select here. Now I am just closing this app and opening next time. When you are opening your app next time, click on this keynote. You can see there is no any message to open the main app. Now you have to just click on volume up twice to open your app, because you have make the pattern with your volume up key pressing twice. This is your pattern for opening your this app and all apps which are locked by this app. Now I'm just pressing my volume up key twice. Now you can see my app is opened. Now I have locked this all contact, compass, clock, all apps are opened. Now okay, I'm just clicking on this contacts because I have locked this contacts. You can see initially you have to just on off this app for confirming your logs. Now I'm just clicking on this off and again on this on. This will take some time. So now you can see when I'm opening my contact list, I'm clicking on my contact list. Initially this they are appear and suddenly within seconds they are disappeared, and a blank screen is here because I have selected the blank. You can select the transparent and as well as your customize. Here you can select any other photos from your gallery. Here this is the second option is transparent and third is customize. You can use your photos media to customize. So friends, hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.